So what do you need to be successful in the online space, guys? Those of you who don't know me, I'm Robin. I'm a digital marketer. And 5 months ago, I started my own online business, right? So what do you need to be successful in this online space? One, you need a high in demand digital product, right? In this case, we have the Legacy Builder program, guys. That is the hottest kit on the block, and that is why you see so many digital marketers promoting the Legacy Builder program online, because it is high in demand and it is highly successful, guys. We have 12 South African millionaires at this moment inside our community. So you need a high in demand digital product. In this case, like I said, I have the Legacy Builder program that has caused me to see massive success in my online business. So you need one, a product. You do not have to create this product because you have it done for you, business in a box, right? So you purchase the program, pay your website fee, set up your automated system that is shown to you step by step inside of the program, and then your business is on autopilot. That means that you will have an automated system doing the selling and telling on your behalf. If you want to start an online business, this is the program for you to join. Drop it ready in the comments and I'll send you the details.